the thurwa e tich malando wach injili ma Nyasaye e tich maduong'. Amora nyamoro ko gudana kai kwa mbaka mlongeni kwa city kutoti watu mlango wanya konyole nade mlwada ngwabe ka joluo mwengi maduong' ne watem.
Erokamano. To ngenji to ngei mana sama ne in PC akani into ni onyuoli kanye tidongo kanye.
Erokamano ahinya ge anyuola Kano Migingo Nyamware mnanyuola 1949 mnanyuola Kasomo Asoma Maranda Asoma Seno at the University of Nairobi katika University 1906 1916 katika couch my dio abet dio kuni mang'eny abet DC bende kuni mang'eny kata bang'e Nyasaye ng'uono ya promotion abet PC kwa kana me promotion and DC Migori kata kula DC Nyanza kai 1997 katika 1997 DC 202 abedo PC Rift Valley atio PC Rift Valley multiple election matuoto kwa city ko Rift Valley to bang'e transfer what are the PC Central Province 203 maritaya 206 kama ntima city mang'eny na moro kisibna tiyo atio kama moro atio malanya katiko agora kuno duong' ne Nyasaye modi samna katiko sita mad PC pokaino taru kumoro to hitich matek kabisa na kitich mitina jo peny to piny ko yekodi to jo peny maraj ko ka PC mikonyogi.
Iwacho nini tiyo PC Nyanza kaeri kendo anyalo paro kinde mane in PC Nyanza kaeri ni wuotho kuonde mopogore opogore kitemo puonjo oganda mondo tim gik ma ne nyalo kelo dongruok. Inyalo pimonwa mana matin ni kinde mane chopo Nyanza kaeri kaka PC kore okeli mana thuru emidhi bede PC tineno kaka weche ne chalo en ni yudo ka weche chal nadi e Nyanza kaeri tinyalo pimonwa ni gik mage mane temo timo kinde cha mondo mi odongo oganda odhi mbele.
Kuna ga tich matek miwuoro de na kana okela PC Nyanza na ywa kabisa kidange poke dhiti gi thuru to samoro jatelo ko jatelo ko yie dalage to na mor kana Kakamega to DC Migori atio DC Migori dicha ngwen kasi to DC Migori na so ng'uono mo promotion of PC Nyanza rabi Nyanza kai na ywa kabisa kidange ka Nyanza wana ni piny Nyanza piny maber wana gilo maber wana donam wajo Maria Kiria ko Nyanza no me wich Maria ko Maria mang'eny jono so mang'eny kabisa to kiti Nyanza kai kaka PC to ni jo wani chiene dongruok ni tin kabisa ne dongruok maber kono me matek muda tima tek muda ni thuru wage anyala konyo genade kono tima tiyo Nyanza kai to thuru na tiyo kaka PC na tiyo konya thima tiyo dalage jo dongruok kana biro kai somo ni piny kabisa Joluna riak ne alliance this kuni mabeyo kana bio kana hilo kasomo do peny kabisa jomna the university na ten kabisa to chona kana university joluna somo mang'eny tumokona timo medicine agriculture veterinary electricity kana bio ka joluko so you cut pain from standard 8 no cut pain from further madima no cut maber mang'eny jomna the university na ten kabisa kwa manene tauro kana yolo kanti kai somo ne ten dogro kuma ne onge mo mang'eny ore piny sugar factory no ore piny Muroni Chemelil Soni no timo maber wane do nam ka bende Nyasaye no ng'uono mi warech ne gima ok pidhi to rech ma rech factory mar rech ne kai rech de mana thika kuna maber piny komisi mar development ma kon ai to thuro nya kono gidan mo genwende gidhi maber ime gilose pesa wane town kata one town Kisumu kai town Kisumu district Kisumu town town factory ne onge kikomi no gore piny gime no gore piny breweries gore piny kuro ne onge kata factory nitino somo to tifongia yudo tich nikech factory che onge to jowabe ne piny jowabe matimalo maber ne onge mena tich matek kaka tich kat miwuoro ndalo no bende ma HIV opara Nyanza ke Nyanza ne HIV ng'eny kabisa do nam kai kuro bago ne gima timore kai kuro mag nyaka kede kodo ne kanya kunyo thuro do dongruok.
Iwacho wach mar somo to somo ni en gima osebedo ka chando wiji mang'eny e Nyanza ka nikech kinde machien kabisa kuchacha kane ing'iyo kata mana duoko mar penj mane wuok to ne yudo ka sikunde ma Nyanza ne dhi maber kata mana nyithindo ma koni ne somo kabisa to gikone ne chal gini ochako dok piny samoro dhi malo matin to kendo chako dok piny. In king'iye kaka ng'ama nosetiyo Nyanza kaka kapisi, ang'o ma miyo somo mathurwa kaeri ok dhi maber kaka nodhi chon cha ma kata kapo ni in niteme moduoko skunde malo matin to kineno sani pod ineno ka skunde pod ok dhi maber ahinya. Kiwinjo Maranda kata iwinjo Maseno tineno mana skunde minyalo mana kwan kende ema timo maber. Ipani wach ang'o marach?
Erokamano kana biro kae somo ne tek ne tin kabisa. Nasomo Maranda nasomo Maranda nasomo matek kabisa. Puonjo maber puonjo ne puonjo na kendo gi puonjo kendo tino bene no somo to kono biro kae no kamano no piny te to so na gimana kana ko timo lungo leaders conference do monest do put do room na some university walungo samara leaders lungo masters walungo guest one man professor Shwani long professor Shwani no professor no statistics dicho luwa di mana university mana Kenyatta mana Ruby University mana Kanye University makanya unangizo kina faculties mage koro kana professor Shwani biro leaders conference no me statistics maber kabisa bwana joluo ni somo lakini joluo ng'eny ka netimo ka medicine mang'eny dalo joluo kutimo medicine netin engineering mena gitin kendo joluo ka piny maber sciences no ka maber kono bet piny ka kose kino koro obet piny committee mar education it wanya to ng'om walos jo somo no university kendo no ka ene kana de sikunde somo laboratory onge maber somo ngi libraries puonjo maber kuno ayo ka dal ma choncha gimna ayo ka neso kuna wuok procession no ka julu na rieka neso na penje ma oko ni alliance oko ni Limuru oko ni Kagumo kuma ikade to nyaso ka no ka fanyo benefit facilities maber ma ne ongi sikunde then BOG be ne gin BOG moko ma mana you look at the primary ne chairman mar secondary BOG ma secondary ko ma gidu no loko ne chairman mar BOG ma secondary kabila a graduate or a graduate teacher ko ma gidu loko time no ko ya tumota me ga tumna ko ma ti matek no ngi PD mara ni lo miso nyoka ko ma tek kabisa
Rosli no nyoka
no ti matek kwa hiyo sikunde le musikunde oyo students oyo teachers oyo parents bene kana see parents today no oyo and there was competition was there now so what you matek when improve education standard manyangsa bakana kana resource wo ka and you can just mangenya and within 100% young schools for many as to also very many going to university it matek no anya ko ne ko Duol Mrs. Nyoka no tese girls school na ko Nyoka in ko ngi girls schools amo girls school ma ko maber ngi ko maber organic school ma nyako maber nyamira gina ko gina ko maber school ma girls school ma ka na ko maber kisimo boy kisimo girls ngi na ko maber kuna ko ngi na maka ko Nyoka ne ko school ndege my headmaster kan ne headmaster mo ka tinya ko university to not transfer no way they could be demoted but we have time we can work hard. But we worked very hard. Some other people like Professor Gutu, no one wakabesa. Can secretary
Professor Gutu Gilbert Manager no se
a provincial no se thought. Not you take I am so many. When you work on the university again, no can teach my unit to take a no, you don't need to school against school obey the PhDs neon, you put me no take. Could work no competition, work education day, working education day. It was education day, they were supposed to attend education day, and the schools were doing very well, were being given presents. So this was just a motivation for them to pass well. And they passed very well, and we were very grateful of being that time. But the education standard, even up to now, has gone very much down. Rasani, look at school, they were saying, Maseno Gene, the school to Maber. Okay, I'm taking a Maseno school was still doing very well. And it was forced us to get so good anyway, Master Maseno. Maseno, the Okatuma Bear, and I was still doing well also. And this is a very good school. Yala secondary school, we are supposed to transfer schools, located good teachers who can perform well and can be active and also they compete well. So that one improve the education in this place.
To sani ango mine no ka somo okti maber kon.
Gima duong nya chaka madunga enya ageyo and gima duong ka jimangenyo dhier. Kwa hiyo kan ithwa bende okti school mako bende remember school fees. I think the somo no sari yambe. Sani yethi no mako bende the university the parallel cha yethi longe parallel of they cannot afford parallel. Because school fees onge. So the main thing here is poverty. I can say poverty because can okay KC University kai to principal the one KC University was a friend of mine. Could peace okay KC kojo luso matek when we attend KC University. So then they could not go to KC University, a private university. They could not be able to pay school fees for KC University. So the problem, very much big problem Cuba here is the poverty, but also a problem all leadership. Our leader Telo, okay, Telo Bende, one get Totelo, one get MPs, yes. They look at MPs now, some of them are not concerned about education. Native University Loans Board. So can this wajir. They look at MPs magajir, building a University Loans Board, give them fees, give them bursary in their students. To work out to University Loan Gade Onge. So you think about the bear, to onge fees magna of the university. So the problem is dear poverty. And poverty because you can see our land is fertile. But you can see we have not factories, so it's not doing well. You can remember about cotton board, Kisumu Kikomi, cotton production died in Nyanza here, and this is a land for cotton.
Nikech pamba dong nane no chon katakane podwatindo nengen kabisa.
Pamba wana kona school fees na pane buono ne moana mar pamba. And we could pay school fees marwa even before the year opens. But now Pamba died, Kikomi died, and our leaders did not come out to talk about it. Irrigation, irrigation board, higher rights irrigation, Mage also died. There was no proper management because nobody could go to him. The minister of agriculture. You see, how can I get enough water?
Ipani kaber, jotelo onego beniti mona ngomondo gigi ochier.
Jotendwa gi onego bed ni samoro kata ka gibiro dala to gibedo concerned. Gin begin to nade to pesa pesa nade dongo nade mno gibedo ohala sana ko kana di election to kini nyasa kai jimudi le ngai dabal jo kesho ngai me woro kini town makisumu kai there's no factory here town kini town kata ngai down ngai town kai mna hockey manganya town hawkers manganya town mno be town ka honge kiosk manganya town some to tend work name and to do again we to take na mo gin bede ke factory gibede ke pesa factory murano focus from lost my bear champion lost my bear soon lost my bear mo to farmers with the pesa na kama nga we kumugi go onge
tingyo turaki we watch mar kit talo jomo yer katobed MCA katobed mana MPs monego bedni konyo jopiny wanyalo timo nadi kata wach mane minyalo nyiso jopiny nikech jomi wachogo jopiny ema yierogi koro sani to koe wachomo kata kumidhi yiere en kit yiero marwa mok ber koso watimo nang'o nikech ng'eny ji ywak bang'e sama giseyiero jogo.
Anong ka city mo city pinje moko bende a city northeastern a city western a city central kuna ka ne dhi to ka MPs leaders jotelo kuma yergi bed piny jo turgi to so mpango mar maendeleo kima kama watim nade kana the central ka MP central huyo kum kahawa huyo kum chai huyo kum dairy kuna MPs so beda committee margi mar MPs we talk about development in Nyanza or development in a constituency or development account like na Kisumu to wanyatu improve Miwani wanyatu improve Chemelel wanyatu improve what improve like fishery in Lake Victoria because fishery is a very nice thing. Lake is the only freshwater lake, freshwater lake. We have a lot of fish, but we're not benefiting us. People living along the lake region are the poorest. if you can never go. So the problem is our leadership, our leaders, you know, between Nade, the way they can committee, Mangan give Tamanango, send one Jokano, Eka can flood, can was flooded, PGD died, Pidarogi, but we went to one picking with my bear, with all those picking up on Nade, and Pino can be for irrigation, my bear cross my irrigation. To bring up the pain, to Nango, when the people don't rock onge.
Nikech ang'eni inisetiyo kuonde mang'eny awinjo kiwacho wach moro ma omiya paro kabisa ni nitie kuonde ma MP wabunge moyier dhi ka loans board mamiyoga hola ne nyithi university to gidhi kwayo loan mondo mi nyithindo kuma giaye. Mano gima awinjo komiya paro kabisa nikech ok chal ka gima kamano timore koni.
No, I'm going to some of you could because I cannot watch Natiro Wajir, this Wajir, at you, Dio Mandera, at you, this Garesa, to Kunaki there, then Koya University, then MPs take a loans Jones board, they call loan anything again. To go get on the loans board, MP and Kai, President was the cult. Pasama kama mkonjo to mati go onge kuna kwa kwenda jonyo wangelo yepo ikon joge ikon yithe musumuge ndo ka theoso ka tufanya be to the loan serikali no CDF fund can be used for education. You look at Pasama omenya te ni ma loan university okay omeka 2000 cannot help for pocket money. Our leaders, the Google, Munogin Benegitica, the com, Miss Mora, the Tuma Tech comes a copinka Kasha, the Muno teach Monospin, Onge. To give me Kagin of Mugiwoko, but they couldn't Musmera Hila, Munansa Bodonge, to Onge, Sumatex, I can exum town, some sons on the dongo, Casilla Donego, President of Konova, to mortgage the true of the pin lost Nakato, or the constituency Mari, where the committee will mind the Leo, let's say for example, Cano, over the for example, Nyanda constituency, MP with the paying jogging, the American committee will mind the Leo. MC no video the paint to my own game.
The remaining PC Nentie Gimarilo on provincial administration. Ten Nangamanentie Koni Mantie PC to Nitie DC, Dio Nikanyo, Chief, Assistant Chief, Nyaka Jodong Gwenkairi. Katiba manyien no loko mano. In kingie kakangamano tiyo kaka PC, lokrok no nine no ka okelo ber, koso okelo rach, koso otimo nango.
Atangi emen serikal tana kanu tiyogi moi ne TPC TDC TD ni TDO ni chief ni assistant chief and assistant chief kesa na Kenya sanda gayo sanda there's no security Kenya is too much insecure Kenya kazanti vile bandia itie corruption itie kidnapping or anything itie a lot of murder cases less banditry is too much ngi moti wala ngi baringo mikune itie a lot of insecurity and why kina pani apa anagiba neno kaka notification cha security arrangement lost my bad me assistant chief ne APs ma askachege assistant chief in the village and he askachege wakati mtu mmoja askachege go the team patrol askachege go the team patrol na kama mother Congo sasa Congo negoji changa sana negoji kisha changani vine villages to village chanti assistant chief and he APs mage watu patrol kama katika changa tukidhi kuchanga chief na ndiye askachemage then dio ndiye askachemage then the security in the hand maranga mari DC this was the chairman of the security committee then the peace was the chairman of provincial security committee committee to maga kagen there but they're not working well the way they used to work those days in those days the security was at your northeastern province at your waje not any safe task to look at assistant chief in the village they get niggas kachega and they patrol every day to sana katika the northeastern village onge askari wananchi ne kendege ngali to onge so there's lots of security in the country now so if the government can come up to improve the security in this region in the villages can be very good. So that's my advice. The assistant chief of the askari, sani askari umashi is chief, sani chief of askari kuketika dio. The kadio kind of askari are not moving at all. So there's a lot of insecurity in the land. That's why a lot of kidnapping of young people, even of children. There's a lot of murder cases. There's a lot of banditry and there's nothing much is happening.
Inyalo wacho ni tich kaka PC ne chal nadi e kinde manitiyo chande ne ng'eni wawinjo ga weche mang'eny ni samoro kata ka tichiewo ka president manentie kinde no jatend piny Daniel Arap Moi nong'e gik moko te ni wacho nwaga ni kichiewo ka tichiewo masadi to ng'e gima osetimore e province nino.
Again, Moi had Kenya at the fingertips. Moi had Kenya kabisa. Ingegi mate Kenya. Ana nipisi yansa kai. Kishio safari gari Moi no sichio chon. Kenu Moi the 5% bego ni simu. One hotline. Hotline ndio kisi nyaka brief the president. Ndio shio kama Kenya Kisumu the nyangsa de kama kimako na tumela kama cross Moi kasi chumio ngi mate nyangsa. Pile. Tokumana Kenya ko ni simu Kenya in peace kendi. Moi bene gijawa Kenya mo ni simu. Kanyansa kai Moi go simu ni sababu Kenya no bishops. Moi karinga also bishop mo negi hotline. Bego ni simu. And Moi used to tell us need a peace. You think ma street children. You friend them, give them money. They are very good. They can give information. Kingeyo ngatma selo maselo bangi kingeyo. Street children. Ko give me ngiri ko. So mo a lot of information.
Matini sa mogo ni simo no. To se go to ne jomoko be. So Kenya we kama.
So mogo ni simo ni me onge nyang sa moloi. Kisa mogo ni simo ni information nyang sa en mo say rote. Maka somebody you said report no say udo. Somebody you report mo no say report no chon. Tomboy was very much was at the Kenya was at his fingertips. Was also compassion for people and also interest about how people are faring on. In the question of now the economics now go let supply and demand fix the prices. But more is also concerned about the poor.
Joma ochano.
Maybe it's background mare. Apa no ada lamo judi ren bene. So nitie process mako bechi mako na mo no kiri no medi. Bech mafuta. Ngene ngatodi tira mafuta taya. Ngatodi butro ki maka. Ngatodi bro timango biro ngeo mogo. Kuro mogo na mane ho gem ayenya. No control magie. Tangene think pinyo lokore right. To what Moi was very much concerned about security and peace Rift Valley. Rift Valley was too big. From Masai land up to Turkana. To me, the whole thing when I was in Peaceful Valley, Peaceful Valley was peaceful. Kisa kana dili wata kwenye mzee, Peaceful Valley kai, tangenyo kikuyo, kijo kanji ndao pila election. Tabilo kanji elections and election watu. So I told President, we are going to have a very peaceful election here in Rift Valley. And now Rift Valley is not called Rift Valley because Rift is fighting. Yeah. So I want to nickname Rift Valley Peace Valley. So now Rift Valley Peace Valley, and we used to meet with the Barasas, I think 10 commandments.
Oh, I have a near what my 10 commandments.
Yeah, I think 10 commandments because I translate Kiswahili. Thou shalt not steal. When I go to Barasa, to Kana and Pokot, I used to go take over the 10 commandments. I made Chief Mameyo, Assistant MP Mameyo. Kiki because Nanaman River was very peaceful. And I was very proud of that one. But now this one is in a chaotic situation because the security is not on the ground. Don't look at it. I can't Pokot where I was getting interior. Don't take KPR, all right. But the assistant chief also patrolling. And also we used to have barasas. Don't look at me, but no more. Every month, somebody must have about 4 barasas. And this PC team, Dio Bende, Assistant Chief, President when you can do it. And the question of Baras in the economy, give me to I'm going to watch Nigeria Barasa. In the Dio, you don't need DC, you don't need PC you don't need president office. So magane temore. Ko piny no kwe maber. Ko ka piny se kwe to jima timore maber. Sana ko na ka piny nigi chaos.
To mano ne tich malich marari nini kichio to jatendi onge gima timore kuma intie moloyi. Mano dongo chino ni kata nindo maber ok inya nindo.
Mo sapar gari ose ku simu. Yeah, tin be nyako ne simu. To ne ka sana kana atio gi moi kai kan peace young saka atio gi moi Rift Valley. And Moyo was a very good president. And he was also look at the welfare of officers mage. To kase katiko central to the kasiko free for to the west at the central. Central now with President Kibaki. No, Kibaki was in good health. So and they could not follow Moyo was a very active person. And Moyo used to
Kibaki eno kauta loko
could not get much from him. But he was also very concerned what's going on. And so things have changed so much in administration.
To central kan idhi to idhi bedo PC ma central. Ni gore gi weche mag kong math gi neng'eny ahinya. Kanyo be nitere chike apar.
Nataka chikapar Rift Valley, nataka chikapar Central. No going to be Mongeki. It was too much in Central, and they were killing people. Mongeki. To Mongeki, ukaya ngano support yangeyo, ukaya watch because of secret things, but they were very much supported. A lot. Someone who can see the Kalbende.
Nite jomane sirogi.
Nesirogi. To ngata kanya sign owara anakuja Mongeki Satan. Couldn't accept Mongeki, so I was still dealing with them with Mongeki. And that's why I also took 10 commandments: thou shalt not kill, thou shalt not steal. And Mongeki knew, see, those when I was in the
billboard maduang.
Yeah, the kind of central, entering central province belongs to God. And Mongeki could not go to Mount Kenya. They could not go.
Wow. Koro in king'iyo chien kacha chande. Gin gik mage mane timo ma kiparo to mi more chunyi ni adier na tiyo ne jo Kenya.
An gima anyalo paro ni kana se retire tabet mos tangela tiyo matek. Kecha atiyo Kakamega 4 years. Atiyo Kakamega no kimaber tiyo maber. Kaka to transport adhi Migori. As the Migori in the district, Migori, ati mabele Migori bele peka kwa njolo na njalo ti Migori mateka kabisa. Kuna Migori kama the promotion. So nange kama wamatie, nana nati wana penye maber. Nana penye moro kati yo, nikita laso barasa, kanti laso tagro. Migori ntia jo kisi na idha kijo luwa border. Na idha mangenya henya. Kuro unake samuro wangene ngato. Samuro negi border. Tunati mangenya. Wapele penye jodongo muna kili kwe. Toki muna kwa ni mangenya yana kisi mati maber. Na serikali nemi wa support maber. Omyo provincial administration dojo mwakela mwino it's for naughty kwa nilawa koloni. But provincial administration was really helping the poor people. Wala watanya sakai.
Jine wacho ni dirimani manyo katiba manye ni wacho ni provincial administration ni nine sando jopiny ni kata chief mako mana gwendi moro kapo ni na rambe moro nitie to ni chief mako gwendi koro odhi ga dhia nikech koro rambe nitie kata mar president. Nine gin gi teko mang'eny ahinya.
Okay, nitie Chief Authority Act nitiere to was mainly to someone utamlo the chief utamlo the DO, but they were using it very well. But you see, in every government you need authority. In your home, at your home, as a father, you must have some authority to bring peace in your home.
Nakibeli
kitako moro. Tokewa that's democracy. Pay pain. See what happened in Kenya now. So next time, don't chief, need assistant chief, need police, need we have a lot of APs, we have a lot of ESU, we have a lot of NYS to see the security of that now. The security situation in the nation, but it needs to have some authority at least.
Koro in kingi yatino ni bedo ni chief onge giteko kata bedo ni gino no gol kamano DC giri onge giteko koro mane ipani mano omiwa bedo gi ng'ikruok moko e weche mag arita kwe.
Anapani jobedo gi nyao Mikura administration when na kono se kacha administration kono tinya ongenye. Omegi nya yes ani ngin chonja you are running a very big location was so big. District was a big district. Sani district Kisumu district ni kai Kisumu was a district so the district was a district Kisumu. But now Kisumu kai kono sub counties. A division now is like a division is now like a district now. And there were small areas to manage. But that's when you see, but there's a lot of chaotic situation in the nation now. Chaotic situation, the insecurity is so much. Yes, the DC is now running a very small district. A small district. Dio is now running like a location. Yes, that's what I'm saying. Because if you're a DC, now you're running a division. They're going to tomorrow, I give the deployment of security personnel. Because Dio is not scary. Dio is not scary. You have a Dio here in Nyando. Dio is not scary. Askari chief was used to be a Dio chief, used to be now chief's camp. There was culture there, but they're not doing any patrol. So the problem is now supervision and also the authority. Onge.
Nyisa kaka tiji ne chal nikech apani kinde chande tich mane nyalo bedo matek ahinya ne en in PC to jotelo be nitie to jotelo to josiasa. Ting'e ni josiasa wechegi opogore gi jo administration. Masa moro kiwacho ni nyaka watim kama mondo kore kwa kela rita kwe. To josiasa be wacho kama ni inoko yieri. Inyalo pimo ni timo na dimondi tigi josiasa e kuonde mopogore manitiego. To gin puonj mane mani yudo kuonde kitiyo gi josiasa ma wechegi ng'eny to into nitie tich momi kanyo manyakiti.
It is a lot of PR.
Londoji.
Londoji. These are also the elected leaders. You cannot ignore them.
The opinion of year.
Okay, team won't call it. Yakiti called it. Yakineva, Yakilati called it. Baber. Mokone, let us Moko Mokone Beo, the way of Moko, can see they also position. As a government officer,
in industrial
position.
The Telemago position.
Mapping was the car. It depends how your PR code. And up at your coding my bear, at your Yasaka, we all kind of your PC, and young sitting in young position. Cabeza. And I'm in a position. And here that is my home. And there here you're there the PC. You also look at the board on my bear. We must see a on the record of MPs with you calling my bear. Because you cannot succeed. So my love to call again with the good PR. When I can machine with team bear. Then I'm going to come over to not you members of parliament, councillors, MPs. I used to work with them very well. So I used to consult them for them to get that we need to teach.
Benichire kamoro menyalo paro ni nitie mane in gi josiasa matich gitek kabisa.
Kama pa nitie matawa na mang'eny ahinya. Atiyo Kakamega. Nikana Kakamega to neveka kisejo Kakamega ni wanjulu kijo abaloya na kwa ahinya. Wakano yikana lunga di bedisi Kakamega na apinyo la was my piece.
Francis Rekolol.
Ai jogo yalo yati ko ngadier. Ana sensibility yati wabe kana Kakamega. To the Kakamega nationality for Kenya. To joko Kakamega ni joko Kakamega ni jokanu munangen and muy bina no Kakamega. Look at the Kakamega Angeluo. Humanity wala suppliers mag food stuff in Kakamega again many major again kabisa and the chairman mar tender board. Kuloga njoluo mikonyo.
Iwacho ni njoluo mikonyo.
No kibarati no njoluo mnati mukhala mang'eny. Koro also chairman mar Moko was now Mias Autograph Company. This is the chairman of Moko Masukari. Kuro magi kuro take me war. Kota na tuna angeka tiyo josiasa. The look by election and changing again the DCG and some returning officers. Somebody secretary to code again. Could again in Yakaki to Gigi. Then my MPs no more Korean, no more Mutavadi was there, Angati was the chairman of Kanu, former minister, Madam Minister Margine, Madam Mias, Wameyo was assistant minister, and some what you could imagine, and this lawyer, MP, was a lawyer. What you could remember, and then MC Masinyalu, no Kenya Kabisa was a very proud man. I used to get him. What you could remember. Cocatrate now, Cocatrate to have the other anatomy, not Nairotimu, Nairobi, American. We remember, and some of you are accused of the president. I can remember the Sunday when I was accused of the president. Then I will not Nadoko Ganemaraj, Shamala.
Yes,
Shamala was a proud man. Yes. Was the MP, was the assistant minister also. Was a very proud, was a very you can bully very badly. So the Sunday can represent bully me, bully with the office Shamala, and me, and Jaluo. The in this is a member of parliament, and he also used to be in the administration. But me, I'm a DC here. But this is not my home. I have my home also. But you cannot talk the way you are talking to me. I had something on my board here. Was in the book. I served 54 verse 17. I said, no weapon formed against me shall prosper. Anything second judgment thou shalt condemn. There's nothing you can do to me. Man, I work of his kind. And chief. But I could have said, I've written, but I've given to the PC. So go and check from the PC. To Konariambo. So what I did, I could of his guy. There's nothing you can do to me. I'm protected. There's nothing you can do to me.
Yes, I am married.
You are Konariambo. I know what I said. I got more. To watch an Cross and Neriam, Cross and Neriam, Muslimia. Koriabi, Tingana money. Me moon, this my Bible is not for the court. The one you are carrying that the court. This is a Bible for God. Could you protect me? Because you know what to work with the accuser, the president. Because the accuser, to what you know, my transfer came. They made a debate deputy PC and Garissa. Kuruka PC Western. I think it was a piece that was called Who, but not accounting Who now. Piece was a Northeastern. I couldn't Kishamala. Some of the yes accused you. I couldn't know. But I've worked in Northeastern for many years. Got a piece of Raburu, where you are coming writing this letter. Don't get someone said that you know, I'm transferred, you went to parliament. Or these Angatia, these Musalia, these Muda Wuri. That the PC Raburu in Kakamega is our best PC in the province, our best DC in the province. Why? What has he done to you? You're going back to go and talk with him and you. So then my transfer came, but I was not transferred because I was doing my job very well. And I did not do any mistake. I can remember I worked for Kakamega for 4 years. And Kakamega was very peaceful. And those MPs had a lot of confidence in me. And that's why
MPs were my bear.
That's why I could befriend them. And that was my good friend. Mudavadi was my good friend.
Mine just yesterday, Kabisa.
And I'm happy that we worked very well with them.
Kurachopo kama wachigni tieko. Neno kama koro wachomo kaka jo Kenya. Sani koro wadhi yiero. Kaka ngamose tiyo ne sirikal igni mang'eny bende ngamonge kaka pin chalo. En wach mane minyalo nyiso jothurwa kama koro wantieni.
And again, yes, as a person who has worked government for long, and especially our home here in Nyangsa.
Lera gini gidoluma ber jothurwa winyi.
Jo Nyangsa. Jo Nyangsa when it's a koro yero. And was talking mangen ko jo Nyangsa. Wa poko bide telo. Kuro wan kral menele mangen poko yuro na kishika nyala prani chon chakam kai ngato diye kai kin be diye. Kai remember no mama used to say ningat badi by day. So what is one opposition. Kuro wan devil from bed poko yo kanyasa ka. Kuro misa nika kana na nyasa kai. I remember the NDP, not the way Kanu.
Yeah.
Not the way Kanu Samaja. And bring that merger. Some Julu no ministers, more assistant minister, and there's a lot of change in our development in Yasa. Dr. Kurosani to give Yasa Nanawa. Yasos Nanawa. Yasa we do Raila, Jacom Senako Guru Sidakal, Masanego Senako campaign. We are sending Mako and Nikanyasani Lakonyawa. One bed over the Sidakal, one I don't look Masidakal. Dalmatin ma da ila so go speed go urune na do masala ko kisumukai kisumutano ko la Channel Town and se develop bangen kai ari bangen temore kai kuna ko kanyalo re jo be serikal bro gende be le ko ko serikal wano be de ministers o be de CEOs o be de PSS o be de directors manyala konyowa
Iwacho ni nyaka ne migosi Raila Odinga mosre gi jatend piny Uhuru Kenyatta nitie lokruok moro miseneno koni
lokruok maduong' seno ko Uhuru nyalo biro kae mabaka national support was abandoned. There was no port here. Raila ne onge Kisumu ka benongo dongruok tina ndal matumagere nakor Uhuru kan Kisumu other departments bibiro other ministers bibiro nakor nakati dongruok sani koro urangi ka wan bwan igeno ikaw nyasenya konyo wan wabede jate wabede president mar Kenya milonge wa maber wabede lokruok sani nakagiwa mng'e ok dhi maber sani nakona gi minister nakasani sani makoha minister mar education nakan bode kai kamro konjo luo wena gima ko madunga ahinya jo ka kura na kai ka ko ke bolo to ko bonda ila ne bongo be president na Kenya kai bona be ko be jo luo be the president bona be one boy the don't work kai don't work ma serikal o kama don't serikal man gi pesa o kila dongo Kenya ka kiongo serikal mana gi musa nyo mi woro mo ka to onge tije ba gi jo somo na no employment ba gi jo to wala wala onge kai manda you loan onge sane one gilo pitch so ni you lost chumele muroni you cannot get loan because you have no loan we are the only community wonge bank wonge na bank kwa kumbedu kwa serikali on the bank wana you me loan sasa ni kuyu bergi ni equity kile tume loan kaji equity majo kikuyu kwa you bank one by the loan yobo odongreto sana kuna kasani kuruka moja namna tembea kwa nanga kuna serikali mira amor dikaka kula dine kumbolo dine kampeni dine gile ubirole mne Raila bango obedesi president unorba yude dongruok
kamano so en ikruok mane kaponi wach no dhi maber kaka wacho en ikruok mane monego bed ni jothurwa betgo nikech kaka wache no gino nyalo biro tido ka ji okoikore jomoko none makoro biro to kawo kata mana ka en thuolo mar ohala kata ngo tido ka jomoko wuok e pinje moko makoro biro kaeri jothurwa nyalo ikore nadi mondo mi kapo ni gino chopo kare to thuolo ma wuok kanyo nyalo konyogi
sane kech dong sai dong ng'eny abuna ng'eyo sane kata TV ne kati dong ng'eny nitie a lot of companies, a lot of factory kami dongo remesa kaka kina kata mokaya kata kina namuna Safaricom joma ng'eny mokilomlo joma get mo campaign marketing you mi loan matin wala tichulo mana jo bedo gi puonj mang'eny wakonjo our leaders obede gi jo puonjo kaka yote mo ala give their own companies kaya societies kaya CBOs mahala ko ala sana kaya kini kisumukai naka monegi CBOs mang'eny kaya chako pesa medical round mara ala kaya yawa gi NGOs mang'eny ma kanya deposit the money to imiyo gi loan matin nti sana nti mang'eny SBOs ng'eny CBOs ng'eny and so this is what we need, educating our people, training them, no put jowa, kaka yote mwala, kaka yote loan, take your loan. Kesa mno gimana juluka sani. San you look out loan, some wrong loan, to get you loan. Loan, or you my own. To say you do upon your win it. Okay, I don't send one loan. You can loan, you loan, take a loan. We send a campaign again. You put your I can see some companies, some groups of people, or our leaders themselves. They can invite some Duol Mokumako, very conference, seminar, or put your opinion.
To watch the Mogik or what you watch the Mogik, me where go to through right now.
Tunaona more na tio nyanza kama bele ya kinyangwe kako njo amno de nyimo bele man maendeleo na tio kana matek ya tio kana ka HIV ne bro julu ndasi to nenga mele dona ke jone ne apane no keri so kwa bele jo ti enti mara HIV na tek kabisa ke jo to mang'eny ine PC to no tio no wo gi mo mele bro kai HIV disaster. To no those HIV 0.8 Jowa no loko kitigi. Memba kwa Jowa ni sani pinyo loko re okay pinyo machon. Sano loko de uru. Katanga de makitu matemo otima ber. Joma puru maber. Puru mara hala miyo de pesa. Joma loko hala maber. Oberu jomo erore. Nyigo ma juluo e uru. Juluo genjo nyigo. Kidi mabeto wadi kuduari obido joma erore joma konyore mulwan bido wadongie wabide gi pesa jowo bide wala jowo bide telo mena kuno joni wasani wayekri maber wabido mo yeda kata ko yodo serikal wane ko yoti serikal muno oyo dongruok kenya serikal no biro no to ko ko nyo serikal maber kanyo chamo serikal maber to ko yo ko ruok wayo serikal muno ko nyo serikal maber to mo serikal ne gidong mang'eny sana ke the central province ne serikal ni mang'eny inge kakiti serikal ite mola serikal wenyo timo go hala serikal man gi pesa umewabe walos kemi magwa mwange tiyo ki maber uyupuyo kwa vile wati mwala wabile kipouru wa Kenya kai mwange kwa joturua ni wale uguchia wakile sumu mwange teno wakile mutegno kishika sumu yom tonema kile sumu maber tani tino sumu ya kalauka yurudi kili mabeyo yutiji mabeyo kaonge sumu maber tija kunya idodong rukonge mwakile sunyale sumu wana disi mani thindo okay mutego sane pinyo kedore kabisa jonyola kwa jonyol oguguru oko sane gine ng'eny sane drugs ng'eny luminati ng'eny kai kabisa itino be kwalo itino madho kongo itino okdong maber itino ngiri maber jonyol uwo itino maber parenting mutego maber to opuonje uru kaka nyalo kohala ka pesa biro wan poide pesa jowa moya bengi jono no mas ne bengi ne won tabiti kutkali tesani tabiti debe ikono ngi bengi maduong ikono kusimu ne bengi jo siaya jo homa be makanya le pesa ono sanonga on kada bank kuna magi yoro mne wange to wanya tumana mo be ga on bank yeah tumana wan be form cooperative society yonga berkai o cooperative union makamya ko maber onge kama suka ken tie kata onge cooperative society maber wani mchele ka there's no profit cooperative society can take cooperative society mutegno imato marketing they go to marketing you can now get your money but you don't have a strong cooperative society or a society madu manyalo konyo kai there's no central province getting cooperative society getting tea society and they even have their dairy but they don't have those things here. Tena kaji sura sana kata dok kwa ngidok kienyeji dok bagalia limekana kana tondegalia but we don't have dairy cows to makama magema be kajo jowa benjo tendwa bo wagyo yepo bo konjo tu kaji sanyala ngi dairy cows bo bo convert this tables do magjo kienyeji bo dairy can now have good milk and sell your milk and get money have a society You're about this society. Look at the other places, Kundamoko, Western Province, Katama Central, they have a this society, but we don't have this society. So I don't make it on your wangi, lots of pesa. Issue of the money, you can now develop like some town. But now factory is here, factory in Siaya, in Homa Bay, but now there's no factory. If it was Somo, University, there's no place for employment because there's no factory here to employ them.
Erokamano jadu, erokamano. Nakwara mukajwang iwinje giitika jaduong Peter Raburu osebedo PC owacho no bedo nyaka DC kuni mopogore mobedo PC otiyo nyaka Nyanza kaeri en gi puonj mogundho makichiko iti tibo winjo maber inyalo winje gimoro manyalo konyi mae momiyo wakelo ni ga duol juma ka juma ni mondo wawuoye gi yawuonagi kachiel kod nyionagi mosetimo gik mopogore kata matimo gik mopogore sani mondo gilos kodi gipor kodi wach mondo nyakwara moga juang kamora mora ma intie iyud kaka imbe nyalo konyo ngimani nikech wacho ga ni ma odwa kai mwago mbaka migero go piny erokamano uru kendo nyaka Nyasaye rito wakendo chakoro mjuma manyien nyinga en Joe Ageyo.